Let's look at this. It says the third term of an AP is minus 9. And the seventh term is minus 29. What is the third term of the progression? If I were you, I will pause the video and solve it first before you play to continue, okay? Just to compare your answer with my answer. So you can see this play, the third term is equals to minus 9. The seventh term is equals to minus 29. And if you express this, you agree with me, it's going to be A plus third term, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2D. This is what? A plus 7 minus 1, that is 6D. Okay? Now, we can call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. Therefore, we can say A plus 2D is equals to minus 9. A plus 6D equals to minus 29. Going to say minus this minus this minus this will give us minus 4D equals to this will give us 20. Divide both sides by minus 4. D therefore is equals to minus 5. Okay? It means D is minus 5. To get A, we substitute this here. That is to say, A plus 2, we put 5 here, equals to minus 9. So you can see A plus minus 10 equals to minus 9. That is A equals to minus 9 plus 10. We move this to this side. A therefore is 1. Okay? Now we can find the 10th term. That is to say, the third term is the first term, which is 1, plus 10 minus 1, which is 9, multiplied by D, which is minus 5. You agree with me? This is 1 minus 45 equals to minus 44, which is what? The 10th term.